The next type of pronoun that we're going to talk about are indefinite pronouns. This word indefinite means something unknown. So, an indefinite pronoun refers to a person, place, thing, or idea that is not specifically named, so it doesn't have a specific antecedent. Let's take a look at a few, shall we? Everything is ready for our trip to Florida. Everyone wants to see the Harry Potter park. Anyone can learn to play an instrument. Something fell out of the closet when I opened the door. An indefinite pronoun can function either as an adjective or as the subject of a sentence. So if you really think about that, it really means that these indefinite pronouns can actually be pronouns, can be acting as the subject of the sentence. But if they're before a noun, technically they're adjectives. Take a look. As an adjective, both children want to be writers. So both is describing children here. But then in the next sentence, both want to be writers. Both is the subject of your sentence. It comes before your verb want. The tricky part about indefinite pronouns is deciding if they are singular, which refers to only one person, or if the indefinite pronoun is plural, which refers to more than one person. So here's an easier way to remember all of your indefinite pronouns. You ready? You might want to jot these down. Remember these categories. 1, body, thing, rhyming, and random. A forgotten G. Say it with me now. 1 body, thing, rhyming, random. A little bit faster. 1 body, thing, rhyming, random. 1 body, thing, rhyming, random. 1 body, thing, rhyming, random. Let's start with 1 body and thing. So in the 1 category, we have 1, anyone, everyone, someone, and no one. In the body category, we have anybody, everybody, somebody, and nobody. In the thing category, we have anything, everything, something, and nothing. These are the first 3 categories of our singular indefinite pronoun. The last 2 singular indefinite pronoun categories are rhyming and random. Rhyming, we have either, neither, and another, and other. And then the random category, each, and little. I know that little sounds a little strange, haha, but you'll occasionally see it in a sentence such as, "Little did I know she could turn people to stone." Those are singular indefinite pronouns, meaning everything that is going to go in these categories are singular. So again, all of those categories are singular indefinite pronouns. The 1 category, the thing category, the body, rhyming, and random. All of the pronouns in those categories are singular, meaning they refer to only one thing. Even words like everything and everyone. I know that sounds strange, but we use them with a singular verb, and that's why it's going to be important to know. Now let's talk about the indefinite pronouns that are always plural. They always refer to more than one thing. These are the pronouns both, few, several, many, and others. So it kind of goes up in number order. Both is 2 things, a few things a little bit more, and then you have several, and you have many, and then others is kind of random, but it's a plural one. After all, it does end in S, which makes it sort of easy. The last group of indefinite pronouns are the ones that could be singular or plural depending on the sentence. These are all, any, most, some, and none. All, any, most, some, none. All, any, most, some, none. So take a look. All of the pictures are ruined because that guy photobombed us in the background. Our indefinite pronoun is all. Now we have to decide if it's singular or plural. So we look at the object of this prepositional phrase, which is pictures, and we notice that it's plural. So that means that all is plural, which the reason that that's important is because we have to decide what verb to use. And we're not going to say all of the pictures is ruined. We want to use the plural verb are. Looking at the next one, most of the pizza is gone. So our indefinite pronoun is most, and we look to the object of the prepositional phrase to decide if it's singular or plural. We notice that it's pizza, and I didn't say pizzas, so we know it's singular, and we use a singular verb. And then the last one, none of the swamp people look threatening. So none is our indefinite pronoun. Notice that the object of the prepositional phrase is people, and so we know that it's plural, and we don't add an S to look. So if you have an indefinite pronoun that's in the singular or plural category, you have to look to the object of the prepositional phrase. Recap. So here are your singular indefinite pronouns, the one body thing rhyming in random categories. And here are the plural indefinite pronouns and the ones that can be singular or plural. That's it. Don't forget to go back and watch it again if you need to, and pause it to jot down some notes.